Hello guys, yo, what up? My name is Osana Setia. Today you are in my channel, My Good Adventure. Today I'm gonna make a walkthrough or review some app called Filmora, Wondershare Filmora. That is a good video editor for me. It's not highly recommended, but you can try to download it at any browser. So it's a free video editor, but there's an effect you must download it free. So this is the app, guys. Filmora video editor. For beginner you can use easy mode, but for a professional you can use full feature mode. Now let's check our full feature mode with 16, what is it, 16:9, so wide angle screen. Let's do this, guys. Check it out. Yes, this is, guys, the full feature mode Filmora video editor. So the step to make a video is just simple like another video editor. So the first is media. You wanna upload what media, like this I choose. So media, like we have several videos for of countdown. This one, then play 3, 2. Wow, it's cool, guys, pretty cool. You can try it at your computer or laptop. Free video editor. After that you can upload your image like this, my profile photos. Try it in Flash. This one is good. Shake it off like that. So it will be the preview like this. 3, 2, 1. Wow, guys, it's cool, guys. You can download it. What an image! My Good Adventure. Oh, I think it's too loud, guys. I'm sorry, guys. It's too loud.
I say I'm too late.
Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. Ooh, that's what people say. So that's after that you already edit your video. Then you can save it. Wait, this save project, or you can the hotkey button. You can press Control, then you can press S. Control S. It will be automatically saved to your devices, and then you just choose what folder you want to save. I choose in Osana VE Project 1, or we can choose testing 1, then press save. Now you can see at the library, guys. Minimize it first. See at the library. Now let's see the Shift movie. It's pretty good. Testing 1. Let's try it. Holy crap. 3, 2, 1. So that is the videos, guys. I hope it will help you to find a good video editor. So if you have some question, just ask in the comments below. I will not disable it because a criticize from you will make my channel better and better. So thanks, guys, for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye. Bye bye. What cups? Bye bye.